Quality is simply meeting the requirements of a product. It can be affected by the design and the materials and everything else. Right here we have Kermita, Quality Control Specialist. It's time for a game now that you're an expert in quality.
Welcome to everybody's favorite game show, Are You Smarter Than Kermita? We have our guests, Dan and Kermita. We're talking about quality today, so they will be guessing whether a product is high or low quality, and you also can participate from the comfort of your own home. Just try to say it as quickly as you can. They're going to show a picture and then say high or low. High! Oh, Kermita won that round. High. Low! High. Low. Oh, looks like Kermita's just crushing this. Let's see what's next. High. Low. High. Man, Dan, you did not do too hot. But just remember, quality people. Thanks for playing.